Welcome to our channel. Activating Pluto TV on your smart TV using Chromecast is straightforward. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Make sure your Chromecast device is properly connected to your smart TV and powered on. Verify that your TV is set to the correct HDMI input. Step 2. Ensure your smartphone or tablet and Chromecast are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for casting to work properly. Step 3. Download the Pluto TV app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store if you don't already have it. Step 4. Open the Pluto TV app on your mobile device. You don't need to create an account as Pluto TV is completely free to use. Step 5. Browse the channels or content you want to watch on your TV. Pluto TV offers hundreds of live channels and on-demand movies and shows. Step 6. Tap the cast icon in the top corner of the Pluto TV app. This icon looks like a rectangle with Wi-Fi waves in the corner. Step 7. Select your Chromecast device from the list of available devices. Your phone will connect to the Chromecast. Step 8. Choose the content you want to watch, and it will begin playing on your TV through Chromecast. Use your mobile device as a remote to control playback, change channels, or browse for something else to watch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.